Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. We are here. We've got a turbo hanging out the bonnet. Ian, I know you're watching this. I wasn't here when he cut the hole because we were testing out the car at the track when he did this. But this is not what I was picturing. He's like, yeah, cut a nice hole. And this was not what I was imagining. But you probably guessed it. We're doing the R31. I just need to get this done. So you're probably wondering, well, why the heck does it look like the way it does? Well, in the boot holes, it's got a MadMax theme, if you haven't worked it out. So this is his attempt. Obviously, the car will need to work. We'll have an extra thing hanging off here. But we're gonna get back under the bonnet and, oh, there's things flapping. We're going to get back under here and finish off lines because I need this car done and out of my shop. So let's get into it. Alright, Jab. Thought we'll take a bit of a break from the R31. Me and Quentin here. We are rolling in the Crown.
Let's go.
I thought no better way to go and visit DoriJunkie for some air fresheners because the car stinks. Well, his car stinks actually. This one's alright.
It doesn't stink. I just want it to smell like.
Hopefully he's there. Roll. Yeah, he's there.
Is he? Oh, good. Let's go.
Also, we're going to see him about the bumper on this car because this car he imported a long time ago. So I want to see him about it. Here we are. Look, of course he's got a Falcon at the front. Yeah, boy. Alright, so we're here. He's got a rad rig. Like I said before, Michael's previously done Falcons. This is VR in store. Look at this. Band's got the Japanese air fresheners. These things, oh mate, these smell so good. It makes you feel clean no matter how filthy you are. But look, he's a local guy on the Goldie. Cool stuff. He does JZXs, so if you have a JZX, kind of the man to come and see, and has just cool stuff. Kind of cluttered like you'd want a Japanese place to be. Don't know where our office is at, but this is it here. Just cool little stuff. So if you've got a JZX on the Gold Coast, come support a local who is really working to get drifting back on the Gold, or not necessarily Gold Coast, but Queensland, Australia. Like, this man loves drifting. We love drifting. He's all about it. So good bloke to talk to. Loves a skid. Essentially loves a skid. So yeah, support him and look after those who look after us. Oh, he's also got a habit of destroying good wheels. We all do it. Alright, so annoyingly, we have to take this back off because we need to put a different fuel reg and it's under there. So kind of didn't think that through, but it's alright. We'll do that. Also, dump pipe, it's coming along. Goes down there beautifully. Very long dump pipe. And then there'll be a little bracket from that bolt back there to here, just to so we don't ruin the welds here. And then currently Nicholas is cutting up that screamer pipe because I really want to show you guys this as we're still waiting for other components to come. That's roughly what the intercooler pipe's going to do and go into there. Blip. So Ian had a little piece from this is what the original intercooler piping was, so we've used a piece of that. Why not? Also, we're trying to retain, just like I said, mentioned a lot earlier, to use just straights, but I think we might have to put an elbow in there, which is like messing with me, but that's what we have to do. How we doing then, Mr. P, mate?
I think I need to do a new pipe because this is not working out at all. Whatever you said to do is not working.
Oh, just show, look at everyone, I'm going to be working. Maybe we just cut it straight there and we'll just go straight off the bed. Beautiful. I don't know how you do that. all we do. Alright. We'll get a new piece. Atta boy! Oh, that's a knife. Dog set me up! Luckily, oh, you dog. Luckily, we got another one. All right, we're gonna cut that one properly. Oh, we could do twin little blafties on the Honda Life. Speaking of the Honda Life, where is the Honda Life? I need to contact that bloke and get it back. Anyway, we're gonna cut that properly and put that on. Make sure you wear safety equipment when you do this. Luckily my eyeballs don't work. Favourite thing about these pipes is the fact that they're coated in oil. And then you got this weird feeling of oil and metal in your hands. Right. So. Well, that's not bloody good. You alright, Nicholas? How do we do this so wrong?
See what I mean?
What thing?
Which way you cut it? I cut it both ways and both don't make it.
I know what I did. Yep. Let's try that again. Now, I think our main issue was we actually gave it just too much angle. Just way too much angle, so we're going to go with a more straight cut. Alright, this will be the test. Alright, now let's give it a boosh. I feel like I want it. Oh, yeah. It's a bit short now. It's not a bad thing because then I can go give it space and go down. So, one of the things that's important to know if you're doing a stream pipe, you can't do a full on like 180 or not like 19 to 90 straight away. It actually reduces flow. So 45s. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna weld that on. All right. Since I lost my hat, I also need a haircut, but that's all right. So this is what it looks like. Screamer pipe. There. And obviously you'll have more of an extension. It will run down to pretty much the level somewhere with a sump. So I'll see what that looks like. Yeah, obviously I'm gonna do a heat wrap on it. So. And probably a little bracket from here to here as well, just so it doesn't snap off due to heat stuff. So that's where we are with this rig. I swear it's like 2 steps forward and 1 step back every time somehow. But yeah, we're gonna suss out possibly the injectors and do that. And while we got on the hoist, because I did this the other day, the drift car, which also it'll be getting painted soon. When I say soon, by the end of the year, it's going a different colour. Put a nice stainless blasty on it. Yes. I actually I had a 4-inch blast pipe on it, and it was too big. It sounded very strange. It was loud, but droney loud. This is a bit nicer. Not what I thought was going to happen noise-wise, but nonetheless, I've got it on. It's there, looking fresh. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this week. 31 is coming along. It's still going a bit slower than I wanted to, but we'll get there. Obviously, amongst a bunch of other jobs we've had, we haven't been able to get onto this much, but it's coming along. So also, new car, don't know if I mentioned it, will be coming soon. In next month, we should be dropping it, maybe earlier. We'll find out what we do, but we got a new car. We're doing a bunch of things in it, and you guys will definitely enjoy it. So peace out, guys. Catch you next one. Also, keep an eye out. We've got a new merch drop coming very soon. Hang out for that. Cheers, guys.